Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Google Drive link to share files in mobile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive application. If you want to share many files into a link from Google Drive, then first of all, you have to create a folder to store files from here. So here you can see that I have already created a folder from here. In the previous video, I showed how to create a folder in Google Drive. If you haven't seen the previous video, then check it out. I have given the link in the description of this video. So here you click on a folder which you want to share with a link. Now you can see that I have already uploaded many files in the folder. As an example, here I will upload a file and show you how to upload a file from here. If you want to upload a file, then here you click on add icon. Then click on upload. After that, select a file from your file manager which you want to upload. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Now you can see that my file has been uploaded. Now if you want to share these files into a link, then just go back from here. After that, click on three dots of the selected folder. Then click on share option from here. After that, click on three dots at the top right corner. Then click on manage access at the bottom. After that, click on change. Then click on restricted to change the restriction. After that, here you select anyone with the link. Then just go back from here. After that, click on three dots of the selected folder. Then click on copy link option. Now the folder link has been copied to your mobile clipboard. Now if you want to share the link or URL to somewhere, then just go back from here and paste it where you want to share. As an example, if you want to share this link to your friend on WhatsApp, then open WhatsApp application. After that, select a conversation to whom you want to share. Then paste the link from here and send it. Now if your friend click on that link, then he can see your files and he can also available to download those files. If your friend want to download those files, then first of all he will click on three dots. After that, he will click on send a copy option. Then by clicking on copy to file manager option, he can save the file in his file manager. So by this process, you can create a link or URL to share the files from Google Drive easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.